right, welcome to lesson 6.4b. We're going to be dividing with scientific notation. And since multiplication and division are inverse operations or opposite, everything that we did when we multiplied, we're going to do the opposite now that we are dividing. So let's just do a little bit of a review. To divide two powers with the same base, what are we going to do with those exponents? We're going to subtract. So here were some problems that we've already practiced. So same base, 5 minus 3. Same base, 11 minus a negative 4. Add the opposite. Take care of our coefficients. 5 minus 1 is 4. Powers of 10, 10 to the 4th power. If you are not good with subtracting integers yet, use your calculator. Okay? Step 1. We are first going to divide the two decimal numbers. So when we do that, I get 1.48. Divide the two powers. So when we divide our powers, I get times 10 to the 2nd power, because 5 minus 3. Step 3, write the answer in scientific notation. And we get another reminder. Make sure your final answer is written correctly. Only one number before the decimal point, between 1, greater than 1, less than 10. Okay, so we're going to try some of those on the back. So make sure your calculator is ready. And let's divide our decimal numbers. Do that now. And your calculator should tell you 4.02, 4 minus 3. Check our answer. One number in front of the decimal. Make sure I can see your decimals clearly. Let's do this one. Divide. And you get a really long decimal. Goes on forever. How about writing at least 3 places after that decimal? Because this one just keeps going. It's like a really long one. Do that on your calculator, you'll see. 7 minus 4, that would be times 10 to the 3rd power. Let's do this one on your calculator. And you get 0.365 times 10 to the negative 3 minus negative 2. Add the opposites, we get negative 1st power. Check the answer. I do not have an answer that's greater than 1. So I'm going to have to move my decimals so that I can get 3.65 times 10 to the, well, remember what we did when we went this way when we were multiplying? We had to add 1. Do you remember that? Now that we are going this way, what do you think we're going to do? Instead of adding 1, we're going to have to subtract 1. So on your calculator, negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. If you are not using a calculator, you may be making those mistakes. Do this one on your calculator. You should have gotten 0.67 times 10, let's see, negative 30 minus negative 10. We know that we have to add the opposite, and I get negative 20. But I do not have an answer that's greater than 1. Let's move the decimal. 6.7 times 10. Remember, I went this way, so I need to remember to subtract 1. So negative 20 minus 1 is negative 21. Good thing we did all of that work with our integers at the beginning of the year, because we're still using those skills. I want you to do these 4 problems and then bring them up and let's check them out to make sure that they're okay before you start on your worksheet. All right, good luck.